What you doing, Vernon?
This is detonation right here. Blew out the whole crankcase right there. Strangely enough, it still turns, but see the pieces blown out of it.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's the bottom crankcase.
Yeah.
Just blew it out.
But now you got that one.
Well, see, this was a long nose engine that someone put in this bullnose car, and they put a totally different radiator in. I put the original radiator back in it, and they had to totally rearrange everything.
Since this is a new video, let's say what kind of car this is.
Okay, 6396.
Saab.
Yeah.
Bullnose.
Didn't know they made another one. Yep. And of course it's full of parts right now, but Reba, take a look at this dash.
I got a little video a second ago, but it's a cute little body and seems to be.
Man.
And did you notice the headliner?
Oh, it's impeccable.
Yeah, the doors are so cute.
Yeah.
Dash.
Yeah.
And the headliner all.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to.
Well, hell, I might as well go ahead and start it up for you. Why not?
It's the back seat.
Yeah.
Little cigarette things.
Yeah.
And Vernon's gonna start it up, and I'm gonna stand aside.
Yeah. You've been around.
I've been around cars enough. So that's pretty cool.
It is cool. So reverse. 3-speed. Hello. How are you doing? Doing good. So 3-speed, reverse, straight up.
That's weird. I'm not familiar with that.
Well, of course, my little blue 93 3-speed. All right, cool. Guys, thank you, and again, I got all dressed up for the occasion.
And
I got
we'll,
a brand new hairdo.
yeah, we'll, Jake, come here, Jake. Jake's a Saab garden dog.
Yeah, actually, Jake guards all 3 of these Saabs nightly.
So we'll talk to you later.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow we move it a little bit.
Okay, bye.
Bye.